Open the USB drive and make sure to back up the data inside. Install software drivers. Install software runtime environment. Open the carving software. Click the Connect Computer button and it will appear. The icon indicates the successful connection. Choose one of the two field mirrors. Align the card slot and tighten the lens clockwise. Click on the file. Select Advanced Settings. Enter password. Select the preset corresponding to the field length. Press the lifting button on the side of the machine. Attention! The focal point of the 70 by 70 mm field length is the coincidence of the 2 points after viewing. The focal point of the 150 by 150 mm field length. It is by observing the coincidence of the first points. Put in the object that needs to be carved and remember. Focus. Choose the pattern you want to carve. I will take the materials provided by the software as an example here. Adjust the pattern size. Other carving elements can also be added. Set the marking parameters. Click to preview. Adjust the position of the carved object. Click the marking button to start marking. Waiting for the carving to be completed. Put in the object that needs to be carved and remember. Focus. Open Equipment Information. Activate the embossment. Embossment supports 3 types of files. Select border shape. Import the file. Select border shape. Adjust the density value of the carving in the parameter bar on the right. Click the Generate button. Next, adjust marking parameters. Click to preview. Adjust the position of the carved object. Click on Marking. Place the crystal on the carving platform. The focus of the internal carving mod is to align the points on the carving platform. Open Equipment Information. Open the X settings. Set the z-axis coordinate to 0. Open the internal carving function. Select the internal carving mode. Measure the length, width, and height of the crystal. The default crystal size of the software is 50 by 50 millimeters. Internal carving supports step image and 3D files. Import file. Adjust the position, size, and carving angle of the carve pattern. Adjust carving parameters. Click the Generate button, then Preview. Adjust the crystal position. Close Preview, click Marking. Assembly of rotating fixtures. Align and tighten the screw holes corresponding to the main body and base plate. Slide the lifting bracket into the groove on the bottom plate. The rotating fixture is equipped with two different ways of fixing accessories. Plug in the transmission line. Installation completed. Insert the object to be carved. Connect the cable properly. Focus. Open Equipment Information. Open the Drawers function. Open Quill Carving mode. Import image. The pattern needs to be rotated 90 degrees. Adjust the position and size of the pattern. Fill the pattern. Adjust the carving parameters properly. Preview. After confirming the marking position, click on the marking button. Put this sliding extension into the engraving machine. Connect the cable properly. Insert the object to be carved. Focus. Open Equipment Information. Open the Seal Extension function. Open Expanded Marking Mode. Import image. Adjust the position and size of the pattern. The pattern needs to be rotated 90 degrees. Adjust the carving parameters properly. Preview. After confirming the marking position, click on the marking button.